Your home sale could go off the deep end. No, I'm just kidding. Well, only if you do these few things wrong or not at all. And that is, in this video today, I'm going to take you through prepping your home for sale. And I'm looking at it from the perspective of a buyer. So how they see it, what's their first impression? Because everybody knows first impressions are huge and so much more. So let's get your home ready for market and selling for top dollar. If you're thinking of selling your home, I'm Hunter Gann with Weichert Realtors, and I've helped people all throughout Louisville, Kentucky and surrounding counties, buyers and sellers, be able to sell their home for top dollar and make a successful sale as smooth and stress-free as possible. Also, little to no headaches. Can't promise that. But so just head over to the link, shoot me a text, give me a call, whether it's 9 days or 90 days, I'm willing to help. So let's dive right on in, getting that top dollar home sale. So the first major key when selling is make sure your home is ready to be viewed. What does that mean? Well, let's declutter some stuff and clean just a little bit. So what I mean by that, I've got a house rule, right? I don't always follow it, but I try to, and that's adopting the 1-year rule. If you haven't used an item in the past year, it's probably time to let it go. This rule helps you make tough decisions, way to keep things, donate things, or throw them away. Fewer items is less clutter and makes things more spacious, which appeals to more home buyers. Because let's face it, not everybody lives the way that you live, whether that's good or bad. And so why that's important is it appears larger. I already said that. It makes it more inviting, makes it easier for buyers to visualize living there, which can lead to those higher offers. Number 2, create a designated storage space. Buyers love homes with tons and tons ample storage space. So organizers, bins, shelves, tidy up closets, cabinets, storage areas, all the likes. If you show buyers where they can store stuff, it's going to make your home look more organized, more functional, and it'll appeal to the buyer. And organized storage solutions make your home look, like I said, more functional, more attractive, can increase value, and buyers are going to know where the heck they're going to store their stuff, right? Normally getting you a better offer. And depersonalizing your space, remove personal items such as family photos, memorabilia, personal collections and stuff. This helps buyers see themselves there, not the current family living there. You want to be about neutral while looking like someone's still living there, but depersonalize enough where it's a blank canvas. So let buyers imagine their own decor and lifestyle. That's important, again, like I said, because it helps buyers connect emotionally with the home, making them feel more like it could be theirs and making a strong offer so that they can feel it. Deep clean every nook and cranny. A thorough cleaning really goes a long way, and beyond the usual weekly chores, you're probably lacking on a few things. So focus on areas that are often overlooked, such as baseboards, windowsills, light fixtures. Like move some appliances, move some chairs, get behind those nooks and crannies, because a spotless home makes it feel maintained, inviting. It gives a positive impression to the buyers. That is huge because a meticulously clean home tells the buyers that it's a good shaped property, it's been well kept, and they just have a better aura while walking in. They justify a higher price when it's clean. So next thing is enhance the natural lighting. Open up your shutters, blinds. Airy homes are more attractive. Clean the windows inside and out. Maximize that natural light. Don't have huge, clunky, heavy drapes that remove lighting, sheer curtains, things like that. Spruce up dark corners with lamps potentially, as long as it doesn't make it look cluttered. Enhanced home lighting just makes it feel larger and more welcoming. And just statistically, light makes people feel happier and inviting, and when you want people in there, they're happier. It's a good impression. Just better offers all around. Something that's really good too is showing before and after footage of a decluttered space. First impressions are important. Clean, clutter-free home attracts more stats. Shouldn't have said that. Moving on to number 2, make those necessary repairs that you and a handyman and everyone's been putting off. That's going to boost your home's price, and it's going to keep Mr. Inspector from being Mr. Bad Guy. Fix those leaky faucets. They might seem like a minor issue that will cost $10 to fix at Home Depot, but they can signal other issues, even though they might not be there, that'll freak the buyer out. Replace the leaky faucets to prevent other water damage too, and it just gives a bad impression when they're not fixed. And so addressing those little things demonstrates that your home is well maintained, reassuring buyers, and ultimately getting top dollar. Next, repair squeaky doors and floors with spaces, etc. It can be distracting and give the buyer a reason to point out little things, and they think neglect first off in their mind. Use some WD-40 or tighten up some hinges and stuff, and ensure everything operates smoothly, just like if it were a new home. It doesn't have to be brand new doors or anything, but that's important. Without the squeaks and creaks, it feels more solid, well cared for, and again, keeps attention off of the flaws and keeps the focus on the benefits, which you want to influence the buyer's perception and offer. Patch up drywall cracks, holes, small cracks, holes in the walls, etc. That's going to make buyers get distracted, and patchy areas, scuff marks, etc. You got a pet or something. It's just important because a smooth wall, no lumps or bumps, just contributes again to that overall aesthetic and appeals to the buyer. I'm repeating myself just because these are huge things that people often overlook, saying I'll wait for it on market or I'll wait till repairs. That might be a little bit too late. Fix or replace broken tiles, damaged floors, kitchens, bathrooms, or anything. Those can be turnoffs because people just don't know how to do that in this day and age. So you want to hire a handyman to replace or repair any damaged tiles just to make things look clean and well maintained. And again, that goes to bump the value and show maintenance, care, what the buyer is looking for. So it's just huge. So it's a selling point for buyers. Next thing is make sure all lights, electrical outlets are working. Anything not functioning is going to come up on the inspection and could also raise other red flags that could scare an inexperienced home buyer away, especially if you got mom, pop, and the neighbor all walking through. It could not end up well, right? So that's important just because functional lighting and electrical outlets could be an issue, but it's essential for daily living. And proper maintenance shows buyers, again, that the home is in good condition. And it's not going to give any red flags on inspection, which is critical. Now, let's stage your home and make it pretty and sparkly. So staging your home actually can help boost your sales price majorly, right? If you got a nice entryway, walking in, it sets the tone for the entire showing and the rest of the home. If it's already clean, clutter-free, and inviting, you got a doormat, small table, vase of flowers. You can hire a home stager or just spruce it up and make it good. That's a good impression. This is huge because it's welcoming, and the first impression of walking right in, unless they're coming through the garage, is going to make the buyer feel like it could be their home, set a positive tone for the rest of the showing, rest of the viewing to go on, leading to higher offers. Arrange furniture to maximize space. You don't want 7 couches in the living room. That clumps it up. Even though you want a lot of couch space, don't clump it up. Give it a spacious feel. Bulky, unnecessary things, avoid clutter. Position furniture to highlight the room's best features. Don't break off walkways or block doors or anything like that. Block mirrors, windows, just make it look good. A spacious layout. A lot of buyers are looking right now for that open concept. So a larger, more inviting home is visually appealing to buyers. And again, I'm repeating it, that strong offer, right? Use neutral colors and decor. You don't want crazy blues, bright pinks. That doesn't appeal to all buyers. Beiges, grays, some whites, some good neutral art. They give pops of colors with accessories on the pillows or the artwork, but you don't have anything too crazy. You want to be interesting without overwhelming. And that's simply because neutral colors allow the buyers to imagine their own belongings in the space, and it just makes it easier for them to picture what it's like living there, where they put their couch, where they put their bed. Just again, increases that perception and impression. Highlight the natural light and maximize that natural light. I already kind of talked about it earlier. Just make sure those windows are clean, open those curtains, add mirrors to reflect light, just brightening the place, and make sure all lights are working. A non-working light bulb makes buyers think you're neglecting something, and you probably just forgot it, but that goes a long way. The little things go a long way. And a well-lit home feels more welcoming. A well-lit home feels more welcoming, spacious, gives you a positive impression that leads to those higher offers. Accessorize thoughtfully. Finishing touches are always including flowers, stylish throw pillows, modern artwork, enhance that home appeal. Keep the accessories minimal and simple and tasteful. Just don't overwhelm the space. Don't pack it, clutter it. Just don't think this will be too much pop here, too much pop there. Just be simple. Thoughtful accessories make your home feel stylish and move-in ready and appealing to a broad enough buyer range and invoking those emotions that they've got when they're walking through your home for the first time. And that really, really helps. So finally, boost your curb appeal. Outside, what's it look like? Your lawn, landscaping, maintain that. Regularly do it while it's on the market. Trim those bushes, weed. Make sure the flower beds are looking nice. Add fresh mulch to the garden. Plant seasonal flowers for a pop of color. Really, really simple stuff because, again, that's your very first impression before they even walk in. If they pull up and everything is out of whack and it looks like no one's home, they're going to think it's not taken care of for, something like that. I don't even want to walk in. I've experienced that before. You don't have to update the front door, but you can. Give it a fresh coat of paint. Welcoming color. Neutrals work really well. Consider updating the hardware, adding a stylish doormat, placing potted plants on either side. Those are really simple. $10 from Lowe's on each side. That's huge. It's attractive. It looks seasonal. It looks fresh. And that just is portraying your home as fresh. It's a focal point when walking in. The exterior, it draws the buyers in. And again, before they even walk in to see your beautifully staged home, they're seeing the front yard, the driveway, everything. Clean windows and gutters also take into that. A clean exterior lets in more natural light and gives clear views from the inside. So you can see outside, that nice manicured lawn. You want to be able to see it from the inside too. Free of debris, gutters, everything. Just because you don't want branches and everything in the gutters sticking out, seeing weeds and plants growing up there. Nobody needs a tomato plant from the gutter. That's nasty. So for good first impressions, let's just think that. Sometimes you can repair or paint the exterior just if you need to. That's a consultation, case-by-case basis. But you want to fix cracks, damaged siding, fresh coat of paint can go a long way. And the overall appearance, on a scale of 1 to 10, you got to be at least at a 7.5 or 8, bare minimum. Just because unless you're selling it as is and you're expecting lowball offers, those little things are going to take home buyers. They're normally going to guesstimate more that it takes to fix them than what you could get it done for. So you want them to give you a higher asking price by already having it done. You can upgrade exterior lighting, replace any outdated or non-functional exterior light fixtures, energy efficient options. Make sure pathways and entryways are lit up, especially right now, a time of year when, actually not this time of year, that's false, that's a wintertime thing. But you just want safety, visual appeal, and it looks aesthetically smooth. Attractive, functioning things, that's what you're going for. It makes people feel safe too, exterior lights, just knowing that their place is lit up, they're not living in a dark alleyway. That's, again, another help for the buyer to see. So that's my 4 tips on getting your home list ready and prepped. And if you want more, to prep your home for sale, download my free guide, Selling Your Home for Top Dollar. Just click the link below in the description. And on there, you can actually book a free strategy call with me today so I can help you strategize, price, listing, and execution on your home. My sale framework, exactly how to do it. So thanks for watching. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell and thinking of selling your home, I'm Hunter Gain here with Weichert Realtors, and I'm helping people all across Louisville and surrounding counties sell their home for top dollar. So until next time.